Decided today was the day to try and stop it blowing. I didn't see any cracks as I was going through it. I could see it was blowing at the gasket, so I thought, no problems. It is a bitch to strip down. It must be assembled off on a bench and then plugged on, because you can't get to any of the bolts. The manifold's in the way of everything, so it's an absolute bitch. Especially if it's somebody who doesn't spanner very much like me now. But then I just took the gate off, which again was a bitch in itself. And yeah, I don't know if we can catch this on camera. Let's have a look, see if we can. There's a hole right there. It's all cracked. Let's see if I can. Hang on a sec. There, see? So it's all pointless. So it's manifold time for definite now. There's no eking another track day out of this. It's fact. So I'll get the Mini done first, I think, and get the escort diff sorted. I'll just put this under a cover for now and forget about it until I can get a manifold on it. And then when I do that, I think it'll be time for try and get driving a bit nicer as well, because it's challenging, shall we say. Very snippy clutch. Made the mistake of putting poly bushes on and it's ruined it. And it's got a horrible seat for driving on the road, so that'll have to come out. So yeah, I'm not going to bother putting it back together. I'm just going to leave it be. Right, welded inside and out. So hopefully that's not going to split there. Had the runner done. So yeah, fingers crossed. Should be alright. I'm not going to track it. I'm going to, well, I say that. I'm trying not to track it. Let's leave it at that. All back together. Slight maiming of the hand off the wire drill, off the wire brush on the drill. But other than that, new gaskets all round. So I'm going to crank it now with no injectors. Just make sure it's not leaking oil and get some oil pressure in it. We'll see what it does. Right, here we go. Oil light's not going off, and I can't trust that one. Bit longer. There you go. Right, let's go check for any leaks. Looks okay. Alright, I hope the injector's up. I've had to put tin foil around this, make a connection. It tightens up before it gets tight on the battery, which is weird. Anyway, let's try it. Ooh. Alright, a bit hesitant, but it is cold. Not blowing though, that's the main thing. chuck some tax on this and use it a bit. Change the seat. It's a seat here. I mean, it's really nice, but it's a pain in the arse. So got that one over there, so I'm going to fit in. Although I need to get the mould out of it first, else I'm going to get all sorts of diseases. But yeah, it will run again. And I'm just going to use it on the road, definitely. So, but I think I might need to change the clutch. It's fucking awful. It's very snippy. I could do with a 1000 RPM more turbo response, but I'm not going to get that without changing the turbo. It's not worth it at the minute. I've got other fish to fry, so leave it to that.